Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling Auto Destroy in Settings. This clears the path for automation. Once on, set filters to define junk versus keep items because the system follows those rules strictly. Make sure to assign a hotkey so you can toggle during hectic moments. You want immediate control, not delayed cleanup. While enabling, double-check stack sizes and binding rules so the first destroyed item is truly expendable and not something you'll regret losing. Once the feature is on, dive into filters to tell the system how to decide. You'll combine rarity, level caps, and vendor value so low-yield items go first. Make sure to set stack thresholds, such as half or 1 unit, to avoid wasting bundled consumables. Also prioritize items that salvage into useful mats. This saves inventory space and resources. After configuring, test in a safe zone to confirm outcomes, because the exact filter order determines what the Auto Destroy removes. Now use it in real runs. Enable before high loot encounters, then watch your inventory and the destruction log so you can fine-tune filters on the fly. If you notice valuable drops being removed, immediately toggle off with your hotkey and revise priorities. The Y is usually a misordered filter or incorrect rarity cap. Make a quick backup before risky sessions so you can restore if necessary. Troubleshooting tip: if wrong items disappear, disable Auto Destroy and revert to backup, then correct filters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.